Hey, it's Tom ZEEB'S with Traction Real Estate Mentors, and in this quick video, I want to talk about the really easy but important subject of timing, specifically getting your timing right. Keep it rolling and stay tuned. Timing is crucially important. Yeah, in a lot of things in life, it's literally all about timing. Well, it's the exact same with your motivated sellers. A lot of times it's a matter of timing. It's when you call. Are they ready to sell? Do they want to sell? Are they willing to sell? Are they able to listen to an offer? How good of a job do you do negotiating with them to get it down to a point where the offer makes sense to them? It's all comes down to that matter of timing. You gotta get the timing right. So what if the timing's wrong? Right? Because is the timing always right? No, there's no guarantee the timing is going to be right. That's what you got to work on. That's what you got to figure out. So therefore, if the timing is not right, if the person says no, or if they're unsure, you need to simply schedule a follow-up, because when the time changes, then maybe the timing will actually be right. So if you take no as their final answer, you will always get stuck. You'll always be in a little bit of trouble. No is not a final answer. No is simply a no for now. You got to keep that in mind. So it's not no, it's no for now. The moment you get a no, simply reschedule a follow-up call in the future. You'll know the feeling of how far in the future. You'll know. If you do it, a week, a month, 2 months, you'll have a sense for how firm and how strong the no was. But remember that it's not. It's all a matter of timing. So if the timing isn't right now, they say no. If the timing is right, they say yes. And if it's not quite right yet, then they give you that soft no, and you know to schedule something down the road. But it's always important that you follow up so that you eventually get talking to them when the timing is right. That's my tip for today. If you enjoyed this tip, go ahead and share this video with others. Click like if you're watching on Facebook, or go ahead and subscribe and hit the notify button if you're watching on YouTube via email. It's Tom ZEEB'S for Traction Real Estate Mentors from Portland, Maine, signing off.